Abona la ku TikTok sengibonile kunabantu abanenkani la ku TikTok sengibabonile nje, me included lapho. Nginenkani nasempilweni nje yami. Inkani iwumthetho futhi iyafuneka ngoba iyi-universal law inkani. Yezwa, kunomehluko ke phakathi kwenkani ne-ignorance. Yini ignorance? Ignorance is a lack of information, discarding everything without a substantial reasoning, highest reasoning of man. Ignorance ke leyo, awureason. But inkani uku-opposer the opposing forces and moving towards your perceived direction, your intended direction. So indaba ke abantu abaningi they are moved like pawns in the chessboard. Ingoba abanayo inkani, their will are in dormant. Their will is at rest, and the will of others is working upon their lives. So they manifest the wills and the purpose of others because their wills is at rest. Ngalesi sikhathi ubingelelo changes akasha uthi ngenzana noma yini noma inini noma kanjani kunoma ubani ngoba impilo ayisiyona lento ocabanga ukuthi iyona. Possibilities are infinite in the universe. Your own consciousness is your own limitation. Ukuthi lapho sisuka khona futhi ukuthi lapho siya khona beka phansi umoya ungatatazile, uyabona. Mfethu inkani iwumthetho. Yes. Uyabona la emhlabeni there are two opposing forces. Yabo? So wena okwakho is to move towards your intended direction. Yes. Kunento ekuthiwa I, angithi the all seeing I, the consciousness that you are, the infinite spirit. And then kunento ekuthiwa me, and the personality, the emotions, the actions, the thoughts, and all those things. Thoughts, emotions, actions, yonke lonto. It's a manifestation of the I. You can change your personality, your behavior, ultimately your environment and your manifestations by exerting the will of the I. Because the I is giving the power and is exerting the will, because the I is masculine in nature and is exerting the will with feminine principle. So the manifestation in your life is the execution or the imposing of a will. So ask yourself the question: whose will is exerted in your life? Is it your will or other people's will through media, influence, gatherings in the society, working environments, friendship, family? Whose will is being exerted in your life? Is it your own will or it's other people's will? If you are making a choice, who is influencing that choice? Is it you who wants to do that, or there's an intrinsic motivation factor of other people? Because if that's the case, then your life is from other people's will, and what is going to manifest in your life is the purpose, the visions of other people. Then if that's the case as well, then you are not living your life. Ngizayizolona abantu kwenzaka lezi ezenzekalayo ukubona ngenxa ukuthi iwill yabo is at rest. They are too lazy to exert the will to change their lives. Everything they do, they consider other people. Abantu bazothini? The shared beliefs and values. You have your own values because you are the one who is responsible for your own direction in your own life. At least if something goes wrong, you are the one who has to be accountable because you are the one who initiated this at your own will. It's even worse if kuguthi wena things will go wrong and you find out ukuthi yonke lento vele ingasuki kuwena, then uzoblame aba because wena uthathe uaction, waphila impilo yakho ngalendlela, wenza izinto ngalendlela, but who to blame? Because you are the one who's supposed to be accountable. Just because wena you find yourself indebted, who to blame? Because you are the one ohambile apply loan. If you find yourself sick because of unhealthy food, who to blame? Because you are the one obehlezi ecocoma ema restaurant edla junk food. Who to blame? Because it means the will of others worked upon your life. Because what they will do, they will lure you and use what you call the ruse, the manipulation. So when to see things shiny outside and then they are not forcing you, by the way, but they are using the mental transmutation for you to vibrate at a certain frequency and execute a certain action because you are feeling a certain way. Then certain results will show, and then they will benefit. That's what is being used through the media, mass media, mass ban or mass marketing, whatever the case. But the elites, they are using that principle. They are transmuting your mental state to vibrate at the frequency that they want. Do you see that? So they are not forcing you. That is why some people ask ukuthi bona bajeza nini lapho. No, bawujeza ngesikhathi sabo, but abazujeza ngalendlela ocabanga ngayo wena. Yabo? Bazojeza ngenye indlela because if you are able to exercise what we call the mental transmutation, every time your will will always prevail in your own life. Your will. Because every time if you are moving forward, there's something that will counteract you. That's the law. Yabo? So if things are counteracting you, do you still exert the will to move forward? Do you resist the temptations? Yabo? Because every time kuna temptations, if you don't have a direction, or if you don't have a perceived or preconceived destiny or imagination about your life, then surely yonke into eqhamuka ngayo wena umuva nayo njengomoya, umuva nje ushona le nale wena. Yonke into eqhamuka ngayo ucabanga ukuthi iya la ufuna khona ngoba kwaye wena vela awunayo preconceived idea about your life. So other people will use you. Someone who obeys the laws on a higher plane rules over the lower planes. The higher plane is the mental plane. Then you are going to rule over the physical plane, and it will be like you are a magician. Uma ula, you already have knowledge, but if you possess the knowledge without using it, that knowledge does not belong to you until you use it. Because you're gonna suffer the same way as someone who doesn't have the knowledge. Ask yourself, whose will is exerted in your life? Is it your will? Did you buy that pair of shoes because of your will? Did you buy that cell phone because of your will? Did you buy that car because of your will? Did you go wherever you went to took the holiday? It was because of your will. Was it not the will of others? Be honest with yourself. Are you not influenced? Are you moving towards your perceived direction? Are you not under pressure? Is everything that you do in your own life as a result of your preconceived imagination of your life, or someone else's will is working upon your life? Are you in fear now because of what you have been told and now you believe it? Then you are going to act out of fear, and then the will of others is being exerted in your own life.